Most smart PMs are doing everything, write courses, networking, side projects, but still can't crack AI PM interviews. Either they don't get calls or they freeze when the AI case or vibe coding round shows up.
I'm Mahesh. I worked at Google, AWS, Meta, and I've worked on AI services. Most of you are struggling to get AI PM calls. Every hiring manager are looking for these three things. Do you have technical proficiency? I'm trying to see how deep is your understanding. And last, I'm checking, can you identify right opportunities and create roadmaps? Why is vibe coding important for PMs? As PMs, you have a lot to do and you have no authority in the system. PMs who are actually able to succeed are not single dimensional PMs. They're really good in a lot of things.
If you're serious about landing an AI PM role in 2026, join the AI PM interview prep bootcamp. In 3 weeks, we'll target the right AI PM roles for your background. Build a portfolio-ready AI project. Practice product execution and vibe coding rounds together. Register on Maven. Link in description. Spots are limited and cohorts fill fast.